Hey guys, this is Henry from Derailed 3D back again with another video. This video is going to be part of a new video series called Practical Printing where we explore...
Henry, you can't use that name.
Wait, why not?
There's another YouTube channel that already took that name. So you gotta think of something else.
Alright, let's see what else we can use. Practical. Functional. Okay. Functional. 3D printing. Functional fused filament fabrication. Now recently we've had our bathroom remodeled, and in the process of doing so there was an issue where the outlet and light switch plates didn't sit flush to the walls themselves. Normally I wouldn't care, but something about this just didn't look right. I used a pair of calipers and started to measure the distance between the plate and the wall for every corner of the plate. The part was printed with white inland PLA. Now for the test fit. Now that's a lot better. I proceeded to do the exact same thing with the other plates. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up down below and click that subscribe button with the little bell icon to be notified of future videos. Functional fused filament fabrication is going to be a series of videos on this channel that feature quick fixes to things we come across on a daily basis. Parts that are mass produced today aren't always going to be tailored to your specific needs and circumstances. However, with the power of 3D printing and a little creativity, you can patch those issues yourself and share the knowledge with your community. Now that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.